Safesoft Electronic Systems. Company with more than 20 years of experience in the market of developing solutions for the market of cargo tracking and technology, with administrative headquarters in Curitiba and factory installed in Pato Branco, Paraná. We are strategically positioned to serve our customers throughout the national territory and also in the global market. We have a highly qualified team and experienced professionals who are always looking for innovation to offer for their customers. The company has state-of-the-art equipment. We are certified in ISO 9001 and we value quality in our processes and services, proving the company's commitment to meet the requirements of our customers with personalized and efficient service. Our commercial team is always prepared to offer the best solutions according to the needs of each customer. We value the relationship with our customers, and that is why we have a team committed to offering exceptional service and high-quality support, looking for the total satisfaction of our customers. Safesoft values its employees and partners. It has an ethics, morals, and respect for others, the basis of values that generates harmony and unity among people. Safesoft. Responsibility, integrity, and respect is what drives us.